Do you know that you can make up to $1,000 from crypto trading without investing a dime?
Wow!
Yes, it is very possible. Let's assume you receive 1,000 token of a particular project, or let's assume you receive 10,000 token of a particular project, and that token was listed at the price of $0.5. Just say 1,000 tokens multiplied by $0.5, which is the price that token was listed. Multiply it in your calculator, you see that 1,000 tokens times $0.5. This is going to give you $500.
Oh my
you can
God.
claim this without investing a dime.
What?
If you look at my screen now, you see that this is my trust wallet. I've made $200, I've made $500, I've made $400. All this I made it from Crypto Airdrop without investing a dime.
What?
So guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you the meaning of Crypto Airdrops and how Crypto Airdrops work, and I'm going to show you how you can start making money from Crypto Airdrop. In case if you do not have money for crypto trading or to invest in crypto, make sure you stick to this video and watch it to the very end. Watch me step by step so as you're not going to miss any step from this video, because you're going to learn a lot from this video. So guys, without wasting much of your time now, let's dive into my laptop screen now. Let me show you this in few minutes and you go ahead and start making money for yourself.
Let's go.
Welcome back guys. A crypto airdrop is a marketing tactic often employed by cryptocurrency projects to distribute free tokens or coins to holders of specific cryptocurrency, or sometimes to general public. So guys, if you do not know what crypto airdrop is all about, crypto airdrop is just a marketing strategy whereby a developers of a particular cryptocurrency list that cryptocurrency as an airdrop. When it has not been listed in any exchange, whether DEX or SEX exchange, it will be listed in a platform as an airdrop. People need to participate in that airdrop by doing simple tasks. While you are doing that, they are creating some awareness to people, so as when that cryptocurrency is listed, it can have enough liquidity, enough assets to do well. So, and while you are participating in that airdrop, you need to share or invite your friends to follow you and participate in that airdrop. And as you are doing that, you are equally creating awareness to the public audience about that particular cryptocurrency. So crypto airdrop is just a marketing strategy for developers to create an awareness about a particular token before it will be listed in any exchange. So you might be wondering how you can make money from crypto airdrop. During a crypto airdrop, tokens or coins are distributed for free to participants who meet certain criteria, such as holding a minimum amount of a particular cryptocurrency, following the project's social media account, or completing specific tasks like joining a Telegram group or referring others to the project. So guys, how you can make money from crypto airdrop is when you are participating in that airdrop, some airdrop require that you buy certain amount of that particular coin or cryptocurrency and hold it in your wallet while you participate, and at the end of the crypto airdrop, the developers will share certain percent of that project to the people who made some certain criteria who they have listed before participating in that airdrop. So those criteria might be that you should follow them in their social media platform, like following them on Instagram, joining their Telegram community, subscribing to their YouTube channel, and many other tasks which they might ask you to do. And at the end of the airdrop, people who met that criteria will receive certain percent of that cryptocurrency which they have drafted out to share to the general public who participated in the airdrop. So to start claiming free crypto airdrop, you need to register in some platform, like you need to have LinkedIn accounts, you need to have Facebook accounts, you have Instagram accounts, you have X account which is formerly Twitter, you need to have Trust Wallet, you have metamask. So in this wallet is where you are going to receive any of the tokens which you qualified for. So how they share these tokens are, after the airdrop, let's say they want to share these tokens to 20,000 persons, because more than 1 million persons participated in that airdrop, they might choose from 1 to 20,000 persons. So those 20,000 persons will receive that number of tokens which they have drafted out to share to the general public who participated in that airdrop. So let's assume your name fall into that 20,000 persons. Now you are going to receive that tokens. You are going to receive, let's assume they want to share 1,000 tokens to each of these people. You are going to receive 1,000 tokens in your Trust Wallet or your metamask, depending on the wallet you connected to that airdrop while you are doing the airdrop. So when the coin is listed now, you can be able to sell that coin and make your money. So any amount is listed, let's assume it is listed either $1 or $0.5 or $0.56 $0.005, $0.005, any amount is listed, you can be able to sell that tokens which they deposited into your wallet and can swap it to USDT and withdraw it to your local bank account. So this is for free. You don't need to pay anything or invest anything to claim this. It's all for free. So in participating in Crypto Airdrop, you also require that you share your referral link after participating in that airdrop to your friends, so that when they follow you or when they join the airdrop from the referral link you share, you also receive, or it will give you more room for qualification to that particular airdrop. So it's always important that you share your referral link after registering in a particular airdrop to your friends, so as they can also join and claim that airdrop. And as they are joining with your referral link, it will also give you more chance to qualify for that particular airdrop. And the purpose of Crypto Airdrop can vary. It may be used to increase awareness of a new cryptocurrency project, to incentivize free users to engage with the project community, or reward existing users and early adopters. The purpose of Crypto Airdrop can vary depending on what the developers have in mind in doing that airdrop. They might want to reward some of the people who are already holding that particular cryptocurrency, or they might want to reward people who started investing in that particular cryptocurrency in the early stage while it was listed. But in this video, I'm going to show you the platform where you can claim free legit airdrop, which will not require that you should hold a particular cryptocurrency before you can be qualified to receive that token. So make sure you follow me step by step to the end of this video, so as you're not going to miss any steps. So guys, and I believe you are finding value in this video, don't forget to like this video, share it to your friends, so as they can equally join you and learn and start making money for themselves in their daily basis. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button, so as you always be the first to be notified each time I upload awesome videos like this. Airdrops can be a way for cryptocurrency projects to distribute tokens widely and fairly among potential users, encouraging adoption and creating a decentralized and engaged community around the project. However, participants should exercise caution and conduct thorough research before participating in any airdrop, as some may be scams or fraudulent schemes. Not all airdrops are 100% legit. You must do some research before you can participate in some of the airdrop, which you might receive the referral link to join. Some airdrops might require that you should connect your wallet so as to be qualified to receive that tokens. And whenever you connect your wallet, you see that all the money you have in wallet will be wiped away. So I advise you, each time you are doing airdrop, or before you start airdrop now, if you already have an account in Trust Wallet, or you already have wallets, you need to create a new wallet in your Trust Wallet which you'll be using for Crypto Airdrop, so as any of them which is not a legit Crypto Airdrop, they will not see any money or any asset in your wallet to wipe. So guys, you must be very careful in doing airdrop. And don't forget that in this video I'm going to show you a site where you are going to be claiming free legit airdrop. All this airdrop I'm going to show you today, this platform I'm going to show you today is a legit platform. All the airdrops you'll be claiming in this site are all legit. None of them is a scam. So guys, the first website where you can claim free Crypto Airdrop is coinmarketcap.com. So go to your browser now, or go to your Chrome and search for coinmarketcap.com. So this is coinmarketcap.com here. So when you search for it now, it's going to open like this. I'm in coinmarketcap.com. So when you come to coinmarketcap.com, you can see this place. This is coinmarketcap, this is cryptocurrency, this is exchange, community, this is product. So when you look at this product now, over in it, or you can click on it to open, you come down here, you can see this is airdrops. So click on this airdrop now, is going to open. So when it opens now, you see that we have current airdrops 0, we have upcoming airdrops. So if you go down, you can see previous airdrops. So all these airdrops you are seeing here, if you go to any exchange now, you see that all these tokens have all been listed. So in this place now, you can hardly get airdrop in this place, but any airdrop you get in this place are all legit airdrop. They will be listed and you have a higher chance to receive a token here by joining early. CoinMarketCap airdrop is always a hot cake, and people are always rushing all the airdrop in this place. Whenever it is listed, people are always rushing to participate in CoinMarketCap airdrop because all of them are all legit. You can easily qualify for CoinMarketCap airdrop when you join it early. So if you can look at this place now, you can see that there is no current airdrop in this place, and right now there is no upcoming airdrop. So if you look at this place now, this airdrop just ended and I received some tokens which is in my Trust Wallet from this airdrop. So if you go to exchange now, like Mexi, you can see that this has been listed in Mexi and other exchanges, and I also participated in this airdrop and some other airdrop in this place. So all these airdrops are all legit. None of them here is a scam token. So there are a few things you need to do in this place, so as each time this airdrop are listed, you can participate to claim this airdrop. You can participate early enough to claim free crypto airdrop in CoinMarketCap. So number one thing you need to do is, if you come to this place, you can download CoinMarketCap in Play Store. You can download it for your phone. You can be using the web browser, the web version of it. What you need to do is, if you come to this place, you can see this is a diamond, so you can be claiming diamond every day. To qualify or to be able to participate in CoinMarket airdrop, you must have diamond. So some of the airdrop might require that you have 400 diamonds, some may require that you have 150 diamonds, and some might require more than. So like the previous airdrop I participated, just like ChainGPT, collected 150 diamonds before I was able to participate in that airdrop. So the second one, which is Trifle, require that you have 400 diamonds to be able to participate in that airdrop. So that is why all these diamonds, you don't need money to claim it. They are all for free, and you can see this place, you collect your diamond every day. So every day there's always a chance to claim 10 diamond in this place. As you can see, if I click on this place now, collect diamond for today. So to be able to claim this diamond, you must create an account in CoinMarketCap, so as whenever you want to claim any of these diamond, you just log in and create your account. As you can see, this is the first day you claim 10 diamonds, second day 10 diamonds, until 3 consecutive times. Then the fourth one, you can be able to claim 20 diamonds, the fifth one 20 diamonds, sixth one 20 diamonds, until you are able to claim this 20 diamonds for 3 consecutive times. Then the seventh one, they will give you 50 diamonds at once, which means you are going to have more than 100 diamonds in a week. So it's good you always claim this diamond every day, so as whenever there is a new airdrop in CoinMarketCap, you will be able to participate early enough, so as you can be able to qualify for that crypto airdrop, and you will be among those who will be qualified to receive that airdrop. So any amount of tokens they share, you can be able to join and receive that tokens. In my previous video, I make video where I showed you how I can receive $400 from airdrop, and I actually show you step by step on how I did the airdrop and claim the airdrop. So if you want to watch that video, you can click on this video showing by the right now to watch that video. And in my next video, I'm going to show you these 3 more websites where you can claim free crypto airdrop, and in those platforms you always see airdrop in every 24 hours. There is no time you check that platform that you will not see airdrop. There is always airdrop there 24 hours. So make sure you stay tuned. In my next video, I'm going to show you those platforms which you can be able to claim free legit airdrop anytime you go there, and you can be able to do more than even 5 airdrop in a day. So guys, I believe you find value in this video. If you really do, feel free to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to pin down the bell icon, so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will get you notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you next video. Peace out.